Sometimes the updates, those ER files, don't apply automatically. No worries, you can apply them manually. Just open the Tools menu, then choose Updates, or click the Updates toolbar. You'll see three main options. Step Update applies one update at a time. Apply Update applies the next full update. And Apply All applies everything at once. Before each update is applied, dKart Inspector runs a quick check to make sure there's no data corruption. So, where do you see the results? Check the Updates tree or the Reports panel under the tab Update Application. There you'll see what worked and what didn't. It'll show you successful updates, warnings with descriptions, and any fatal errors which block the update entirely. Now, if you double-click on any message, dKart Inspector will take you right to the object and highlight it on the chart. Let's talk about possible errors. You might see something like Object Not Found, meaning the update refers to a missing item, or illegal attributes when values aren't allowed. There can also be mistakes in the update instructions, or version mismatches. The update is for the wrong chart version. And sometimes the geometry is just off, like too many or too few points, or bad topology. So what should you do? Here's a quick summary. 1. Make sure the updates weren't already applied. 2. Open the Updates section from the menu or toolbar. 3. Choose how to apply them. Step by step, one full update, or all at once. 4. Watch the Updates tree or the Reports tab. 5. If there's an error, double-click it, and dKart Inspector will show you the problem area. That's it. Manual updates made simple.